Myself Krishna Shatasya. I am studying in Ulyanova State Medical University, Russia.
Myself Vartika Shukla and I am a first year medical student in Ulyanovsk Medical University, and we are standing here right in front of medical faculty building, and we used to come here with bus or trams, and we can also use cabs for according to our convenience.
Myself Vishwa Gajera. I am standing here in front of you in medical faculty. This is our center of city. We are having this anatomy department, histology department, normal physio, path physio. All subjects are here. We have a very old museum like bones, muscles, and everything like this.
Hello, my name is Munshi Sabina. I am studying in third year Ulyanova State Medical University. This is the inside view of our medical faculty. You can see it is a very historical palace. We can use this student ID and enter our medical faculty. Come with me.
Myself Tejas Ramdas Kheralia. I am in the medical faculty now. This is the first floor of medical faculty. Medical faculty consists of 3 floors. The ground floor consists of anatomy department, and it also have many other department like, and the first floors consist of documentary room, histology classes. The first year histology classes happens on this floor. Like in Russia, most of the time there are snowfall, so this is the room where you can give your jackets while you come to class. Here you can submit your snow jackets. In this floor we mainly use the histology department room, wherever histology classes occur. All the documents of our university, our ID card, our main documents are present in that room. This is the documentary room of our medical faculty. The staff here is very nice. The Yulia ma'am help us very nice. We don't have any problem regarding documents.
So this is our first floor. Here we have embryology, histology classes, and even administrative building. But follow me, I'll show you something more interesting. Our anatomy classes. Follow my lead now. So we're heading to the ground floor. This is the first floor. Here we have the histology department right there. And this is administrative department. We have our histology classes there. Histology is pretty interesting. But you know what's more interesting? Anatomy.
Okay, let's show some interesting about our anatomy department. Come. This is our museum class. Here we study for daily purpose. All the things are made up of our professor in here, bio things, and the different kind of organs available in here, such as a cadaver, male cadaver, small boy cadaver, small baby cadaver, and different organs, muscular organs, skeletal organs are present here. Good afternoon, Professor.
My name is Kumar Vikrant. I am third year student. Now I am explaining about pathology department. It's the embryonic stage of baby, where a professor teaches us about that. This one is the museum of pathology department. Now I am showing you different stages of embryonic.
Hello, my name is Shanika Sharma. I am a first course student from Ulyanova State University. Let's show you something more interesting about anatomy class. So, this is our anatomy class. This is a group of 15 students. Here you can see all the posters and plastic materials.
Hello everyone, myself Ritika. As you can see, I am in my anatomy class. We are the students of my group. Each group is about 15 students.
and you can say around posters are there to help us to study. And also we have the posters, plastic material to study on. Our professors used to describe these posters each and every class, and again our Viva is also taken on the subject.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. Myself Tejshwini. I am explaining about the cadaver. We will come to the abdomen part. Internal, oral, to muscle.
So hello guys, myself Sisar Dabas. So I will be explaining about the heart, also known as core in Latin. Okay. So basically it's the natural preparatory of heart, and you can see this is the aorta, the inferior vena cava. It has four chambers, the right and left, auricles and two auricles and two ventricles. So this is the hepar known as liver. Okay, this is the diaphragmatic surface, and this is the quadrate lobe, and this is the caudate lobe.
I am a third year student. I am in a medical department. I am in the department of topoanatomy. First of all, we start with topoanatomy. Here we study about the most of the topic of topoanatomy. It's combined with anatomy. So we study about it's here we put it as surgical instruments and other instrument which can we define how to do surgeries and all. It's a most important topic in MCI and FMG. So we are study about the stitches and all other type of how to put injections and all. It's a main subject in nursing assistants and all ward assistants. So we give in third year we getting a general instruction of how to do.
Hello, my name is Sagar Dede, and here I will show you the general surgery practice room. So here we only learn about the basics. Like if there's a patient who's just got an accident, we are taught to how to treat a patient. If it's here, what are the basic things we should do at first, like first aid, bandage, clips, and we learn here about the blood test, vitals, and everything. So this is not the simulation center. It's only for the basics. Like simulation center, we will learn in third, fourth year. But for the first year, this is the only basics.
Hello guys, I am Mercy Benita Moses and I am from third course. Now we are standing in the second floor of medical faculty building. Here we have physiology department, mainly pathophysiology and normal physiology. Pathophysiology, it is the interaction of physiology and pathology. In pathophysiology, we will be studying about how a disease affects the body, its clinical manifestations, methods of diagnosis and treatment about it, and how it changes, how it affects our body, and what all the causes and consequences we have to face regarding that disease.
So as we discussed earlier about the medical faculty, where the subjects like anatomy, histology are held. Now we are at the Ullano State University, which has 4 corpuses, and in the 4 corpuses there are many subjects and many extracurricular activities like swimming pool, the football ground, the tennis ground, and other extracurricular activities. Basically, we also have our international library for students so that they can prepare for their MCA exam known as FMG. It has all the Indian authors books and other books so that they can prepare very well for their exams.
Now we're in the middle of our university. Here all of the corpuses are situated. Like Corpus 2, Corpus 3. As you know, there are multiple corpuses of a university, multiple faculties and everything is right here in this. Our university has a really big area. And in the back, there is one simulation center which we'll be visiting soon. And did you know, fun fact, our university has tie-ups with 7 hospitals in this city. Like all the major hospitals, and I'll show you simulation center. Simulation center. What is simulation center, you may be thinking? Simulation center is a really important field for medical students. As you know, medical students have to get exposure for clinical practices. So here at the simulation center of Uliano State University, we get that beforehand. Before dealing with the real patients, we get to know how to do that. Departments such as ECG, heartbeat sensing, pediatrics, gynecology and endoscopy are present right in this building. Here we get to diagnose everything and know before dealing with the patients. Here even the credit of 6th students like our seniors occur at this place only. So this is very much important here. Our professors take our classes there. Come, let me show you. As you can see, there are multiple monitors there. These are full of information. We get ready with information so that we can deal with the patients. All the monitoring and everything is done right here only.
I'm third course student. Now I am in instrumentation center where a professor teaches us, and we have to detect in few minutes what's the problem with patient. We can detect problem with the help of ECG device. We have to detect symptoms, and urgently we have to treat it as soon as possible.
So now we are in another department of the stimulation center. Here we can see how our heart is beating and how the lungs are working. Basically, we can see the method of breathing in our body. So we are in the next department of the stimulation center known as the pediatrics. So our pediatrics start of the fourth year course. So here we can get information about the pediatric department. So basically we know that babies are very delicate to handle. So we have pediatric department in our university stimulation center. So we can get the knowledge about the disease about the babies and of different ages.